Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. So let me choose maybe this one. Now all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. And now let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to edit. So now let's tap on this circle with the camera icon inside, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. Okay. And now just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And here in this step you can change the position of this highlighted square, you can change the size of it also, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. So to save everything, simply tap on this icon in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.